unboxing 2 Rubik's Cubes. 2x2 and a 3x3. So, they're my next cube. 2x2 and a 3x3. Let's start with the 2x2. Jeez Louise. It comes with a stand. And most importantly, the cube, of course. It doesn't turn bad. Oh, that turns good. This is good. Alright, pretty good. Now let's do the 3x3. Oh, the cool thing is about this, most cubes have the logo on the white side, but it doesn't. The 3x3 has the logo on the blue side, but this one has the logo on the red. I don't know why. Wait, let me do a J-perm. This is to test it. Alright, pretty good. And now let's try the 3x3. Okay, try to open this one a bit more careful. Okay. Come with another stand. I have like 50 of these. And they're cute. Okay. This is tight. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry for that. This thing is way too tight. Corner cutting barely exists. I mean, it's good if you like tight cubes. Let's make it looser. Okay, let's loosen this. This will loosen a bit. Okay, yeah, that's much better. Geez, that's much better. Okay. Let's try to get with all the sides so it's perfect. So I'm just making it like looser because it was way too tight. So let's fix it. Okay. Okay, it's better now. Much, much looser. Oh my. This is good. Alright. That took a long time, but alright. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am gonna race them against my mains. But first, let's check the size difference. This is not my main. They're wait. Oh, they're a different size. Oh, what about my 2x2? About the same. Yeah, the same. Okay. So first, I'm gonna do my new ones. Oh wait, this is not my new one. I'm gonna do my new one. This one is pretty loud, but it's fine. Just for that, I brought this. Okay. Okay. So Can y'all see it? 38.02. Remember 0.02. What if I get 30.01? Versus these. This one is better than this one. 3x3 is a little bit worse. And this thing is heavy. This one's way heavy. Oh, I never mixed this one up. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Got it. Dang it. A little bit. Same speed. Way faster. My main. New main. Not main. Main. My main's still the same for 3x3. Not 2x2. It's not 2x2. So, yeah. The 2x2 is better than my main. So I'm going to have to do a couple solves with this to actually tell. But the 3x3 is just a little bit usual. Like the same. So, see you next time. First, I want to see if my mains can fit on these stands. They probably will, yeah. That one does, and this one. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Next time I get a new one of these things, I'm gonna do a review, I think. So, yeah, see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe to help us get to 110 subscribers.